Well, we're out with the BAE Hawk. Not sure if we've got too much control or not on the elevator. Seem to be able to control it. Well, hopefully it will fly. The nose gear is a bit stiff. The main gear is nice and soft, so I'm not sure what the nose gear is going to cause. Oh well, here goes nothing. Balance, everything seems very nice in general. It's got a little bit of a climb.
393 milliamp hours.
Tiny bit of a left roll. It is very quiet.
30.6 volt, 40.8 amp, 643 milliamp hours. 30.2 volt, 48.7 amp, 786 milliamp
It's 4.4 kilos and it's flying like really nicely. Feels light.
48.4 amp, 934 milliamp hours. 28.7 volt, 99 amp, 1096 milliamp hours. 2
Got a little bit of a turn there on climb.
29.9 volt, 38.7 amp.
How quiet can you be? That's very quiet.
29.9 volt, 39 amp, 1403 milliamp hours.
You don't want to lose orientation out there. So first thing we're going to try, switch into stability mode.
Stabilize. 29.9 volt, 33.9 amp, 1631 milliamp.
So it's flying with the S8R stability on.
29.9 volt, 33.6 amp, 1734 milliamp hours.
Lucky, I guess, the elevator neutral point very close to correct.
33.7 amp, 1837 milliamp hours. 29.8 volt, 33.6 amp, 1940 milliamp hours.
So what we need to do is do a bit of flap testing.
29.9 volt, 24.9
So it went down a little bit on the flaps.
milliamp hours. Flaps stage 1. Flaps retracted.
So we'll go back to
29.9 volt,
flaps.
25.1 amp, 2111 milliamp hours. Flaps stage 1.
So I've got a bit of a trim pot which I've used to adjust for the flaps.
87 milliamp hours.
Instead of using trims.
29.8 volt, 25 amp, 2264 milliamp hours.
So next thing I'm going to do is try full flaps. I should have been standing up this end.
20.8 amp, 2334 milliamp hours. Flaps set for landing. Flaps stage 1. Flaps retracted. 29.7 volt, 25.9 amp, 2398 milliamp hours. Landing gear deployed. 29.6 volt, 26.
Try with landing gear deployed.
2492 milliamp hours. Flap stage 1.
So now on flap stage 1.
22.1 amp, 2500.
It flies pretty slow. even with the first level of flap.
29.7 volt, 22.1 amp, 2,636.
You've still got time to fly around anyway.
29.6 volt, 22 amp,
So what I'll do is I'll come down the runway line and then I'll go to full flaps. So I'm down to about 40% throttle, full flaps.
Flaps set for landing. 30.1 volt, 1.7 amp, 2,810
Oh,
milliamp
going a
hours.
mile. Gonna run right off the end by a mile.
30.2 volt, 0 amp, 2,811 milliamp hours. Throttle consent.
I was saying I didn't know what drag and lift the flaps give. It just flew way past the threshold. The main gear's really nice and soft, so that works well, but you could see it lifted off a little bit right near the end of the runway because the nose gear's a tiny bit stiff, so it's letting it pop up, so we'll have to change a spring on that. Apart from that, it flies amazing. It's so smooth, so stable. Axial rolls with virtually no effort of elevator. All the throws, I sort of made them up. Managed to fluke getting them pretty well exactly right. All the mid-level throws I've got. So that was a successful maiden flight. It's a very nice flying plane.